Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or enroll for Discover online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to sign up or enroll into internet banking for Discover Bank, open up a web browser first. In the web address bar, type in www.discover.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Discover Bank, go ahead and click on the register account link on the right hand corner. On the next page, select one of your account type and click on the register now button. To enroll into online banking, click on register now link right beneath banking. On the next page, you'll be taken to the registration tab. Scroll down and type in the last four digits of your account number in the first text box. You can find your account number in the following places. Simply go ahead and type in the last four digits and go to the next field where it says date of birth. Type in your date of birth information, type in your social security number or your taxpayer ID in the next field. After you are done, type in your mother's maiden name and make sure to include the last name only. Finally, click on the continue button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to complete your enrollment. That is how you can easily sign up for an online banking account for Discover Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.